Hello, today I'm going to show you my experience in the Maker Faire 2018 in New York. It is very interesting with friends, art craft and many other funny things, so don't miss anything in this video. Portions full of makers, you won't miss anything if you try during the 2 days to visit everything. It's fun a lot. Also there are many stages with a lot of happenings and talks, so you can learn many new things in so little time. If it is the first time you attend this fair, you are going to get amused for how the ingenuity and the creativity of so many people around here. You are going to be inspired to also try new things and of course attending all the booths you can. Thank you very much to Kaleidoscope Enrichment. They had a very funny place full of activities for science in a very different way. We had a lot of fun there. Thank you very much. It was very funny and inspiring to see kids everywhere doing art craft. Do you know the Connect 4 game? So this one is with an Arduino and also artificial intelligence in a computer. It was really funny and interesting to see how they play with it. What can you do with a big hand? So let's try some cars and have fun. Of course we couldn't miss some Star Wars, robots and cosplay included. And of course, one of the places I like most, experiments in space, with robots that were deployed in the International Space Station. Or here, experiments of biology that you can share and compare with the ones in the International Space Station.
So, CanSat is a satellite in the size of a solar can, designed by Professor Bob Twiggs at Stanford.
So this is an interesting sensors and telemetry package that goes inside of any small rocket like this one here, and it's very interesting and fun. You can use your laptop to see all the measurements. The robot that was in the International Space Station, and here we can see kids doing again art craft about biology in space or mounting models of the little robot. Here we can see the physical Minecraft game, very funny and interesting. The sector for construction and building with many different solutions was also very insightful to see, with bottles to make new constructions, for example. The sector for robots was also very interesting for me, and I had a lot of fun having a look on them. I leave you now with all kind of different bots I saw, from musical experimental instruments and other kind of robots, machines and experiments. I hope you like it.
for World Maker Faire! Oh my goodness, folks, it is so great to see you all here on this, just a little bit of drizzle coming down, but that's not stopping any of you. No. Now, I think we're just about ready. Are you guys ready? Yes! Make some noise for World Maker Faire! Let's make a really big mess.
It's gonna be insane. What do you think?
Goodness, I am wet. I am so completely soaked to the skin. Well, folks, thank you so much for coming out to the EP Bird Coke and Mentor Show. Thank you so much for coming out to World Maker Faire, supporting the maker movement right here in New York. Thank you so much. We'll see you again. Thanks, New York Maker Faire.
I hope you like this video, so don't forget to like, subscribe and share. Thank you very much and see you soon.